Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix a Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal that was canceled. First, open your Cash App and go to the Activity tab. Find the canceled Bitcoin transaction and tap on it. Sometimes Cash App shows a short message that explains why the withdrawal was canceled. Reading this message can help you understand what needs to be fixed. Next, make sure your Cash App account is fully verified. Go to your profile and select Personal or Verify Identity. Enter your full legal name, date of birth, and any other information requested. You may also need to upload an ID. Verified accounts have fewer limits and fewer canceled withdrawals. After that, check your Bitcoin withdrawal limits. Cash App has daily and weekly limits for Bitcoin withdrawals. If you try to withdraw more than allowed, the transaction can be canceled. If this happens, wait until your limits reset and try again later. If the problem keeps happening, contact Cash App support through the app. Go to your profile, tap Support, and choose the option related to Bitcoin or withdrawals. Explain the issue clearly and wait for their response. By following these steps, most Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal canceled issues can be fixed. Thanks for watching.